In My Repairs, you're able to generate QR codes for your portal. These are accessed via the Share tab. The first thing you have is a generic QR code which can be downloaded and used however you see fit. Following on from that, we have the QR poster. This is a poster that can be placed inside of your properties, with the QR code on, allowing for the tenants to quickly scan to access the portal. Finally, we have the QR labels. This prints off multiple labels with your company logo and code on, which can be stuck to different parts of the property, again, allowing for easy access to the portal. Once the QR label or poster is set up, it can be scanned like so, booting straight up into your portal.